Tom and I woke up real early today to hit the Boston streets while they're still empty. We're gonna take some pics and then go get some lattes.
I had a dream last night that my eye swole shut. Getting some Eric shots. We have some spectators. Now those are some pretty fucking dope pics. Boy, even from this distance, we're shooting at f2. Today I'm shooting with Canon 5D Mark IV and the 85 1.4L. This lens is a monster. You'll see what we mean.
So we got a couple locations down. We're gonna ride back into the city and hopefully hit one more spot and then get some coffee. It's that magical time. All right, we're in Watertown now at this cool little parking garage that we've been to before. Tom stole my bike.
Yes, I did. Fuck your bike. Leave it. Pretty fast.
It's hot. Oh, I gotta take my GoPro mount off. Oh, it's still on.
You gotta do our sign off.
What?
You gotta do our sign off.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
You wanna stand behind me? It got really hot and we ran out of spots, so we're calling it quits. Hope you guys had a fun time. Did you have a fun time, Tom?
Oh, yeah.
I had a fun time. And for those of you that saw the sign off on this camera, see you later.
Yeah.